Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where we explore the wonders of self-care and natural beauty. I'm Engy Khalil, and today we're diving into the world of luscious locks with 10 amazing DIY natural hair growth recipes. Whether you're on a journey to longer hair or just want to boost your hair's health, these simple recipes are sure to leave you with a radiant mane. So, let's get started. 1. Coconut oil and honey hair mask. Our first DIY treatment is a heavenly blend of coconut oil and honey. Coconut oil deeply nourishes your hair while honey adds a natural shine. Together, they promote hair growth and prevent breakage. Apply this mask once a week for stunning results. 2. Aloe vera scalp treatment. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's also a fantastic ingredient for promoting hair growth. Mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of your favorite essential oil and massage it into your scalp. This soothing treatment will leave your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. 3. DIY green tea rinse. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for promoting hair growth. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. This simple step can strengthen your hair and stimulate the scalp. 4. Onion juice elixir. Now, I know it sounds a bit unusual, but onion juice is a secret weapon for hair growth. Extract the juice, mix it with a carrier oil, and apply it to your scalp. The sulfur in onions helps boost collagen production, promoting healthy hair growth. 5. Avocado hair mask. Avocado isn't just for brunch. Mash up a ripe avocado and mix it with olive oil to create a hydrating hair mask. This powerhouse combination provides essential nutrients that promote hair strength and growth. 6. Fenugreek seed treatment. Fenugreek seeds are a hidden gem for hair care. Soak the seeds overnight, blend them into a paste, and apply it to your hair. The proteins and nicotinic acid in fenugreek seeds help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. 7. Rosemary infused oil. Rosemary is not just for seasoning. Infuse olive oil with rosemary for a few days, and you'll have a potent hair growth elixir. Massage this oil into your scalp regularly to improve circulation and promote strong, healthy hair. 8. Castor oil and egg mask. Castor oil is a classic for hair growth, and when combined with egg, it becomes a powerhouse treatment. The proteins in the egg nourish the hair, while castor oil strengthens and stimulates growth. Apply this mask monthly for best results. 9. Hibiscus flower hair rinse. Hibiscus flowers are not only beautiful but also fantastic for hair health. Boil hibiscus flowers in water, let it cool, and use it as a final hair rinse. This concoction promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff, and adds a natural shine to your locks. 10. Yogurt and banana hair mask. Our final DIY is a delightful hair mask. Blend yogurt and banana together to create an nourishing hair mask. This combination is rich in vitamins and minerals, promoting overall hair health and growth. Plus, it smells amazing. Conclusion: there you have it, 10 fantastic DIY natural hair growth recipes to transform your locks into a crown of beauty. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate these treatments into your routine and watch your hair flourish. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. To start your hair growth journey and grow your hair longer and faster, book your online hair consultation now by visiting fasterhair.net.